Okay, so good day. So this time we focus on the legal and professional issues in information security. Legal and professional issues in information security encompass a broad range of topics, no, from compliance with laws and regulations to ethical consideration and professional responsibility. Understanding these issues is vital for ensuring that information security practices are not only effective but also legally sound and ethically responsible. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir. Hi, classmates. Good evening po. Information security is crucial for individuals, organizations, and nations. However, its implementation and management raise complex legal, ethical, and professional issues. This report explores these issues, providing insights into the challenges and best practices. So, legal issues, data protection laws. Regulation like the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulations, and CCPA, California Consumer Privacy Act, imposes strict requirements on data collection, processing, and storage. Organization must comply with these laws to avoid heavy fines and reputational damages. Cybercrime laws. Laws against hacking, phishing, malware distribution, and data breaches are evolving to combat the increasing experience of cybercrime. Organizations need to implement strong security measures to avoid legal issues. Dito po tayo susunod sa intellectual property rights. Protecting intellectual property such as trade secrets, patents, and copyright is essential for business success. Information security plays a vital role in preventing theft and unauthorized access. Privacy laws. Laws like HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, and FERPA, Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, protects sensitive personal information. Organizations handling such data must comply with this regulation. Punta po tayo sa ethical issues, privacy versus security. Balancing individual privacy with the need for security measures is a constant ethical dilemma. Organizations must strike a balance by implementing security measures while respecting individual rights. Data collection and use. The collection and use of personal data raise ethical concerns about transparency, consent, and potential misuse. Organizations must be transparent about their data practices and obtain informed consent from individuals. Surveillance and monitoring. The use of surveillance technologies raises ethical questions about individual freedom and potential for abuse. Organizations must ensure that monitoring is proportionate, transparent, and accountable. Digital divide. Different access to information and technology creates an ethical obligation to ensure fair access and promote digital literacy for all. Professional issues. Information security professionals. The role of information security professionals demands high ethical standards, technical expertise, and continuous learning. They must be committed to protecting data and ensuring its integrity. Professional certifications. Certification like CISSP, Certified Information System Security Professional, and CISM, Certified Information Security Manager, provide professional with organized standards and demonstrate their ability. Professional organizations. Organizations like IFACA, Information System Audit and Control Association, and ISC, International Information System Security System Consortium, promote ethical practices and provide resources for professionals. Code of ethics. Information security professional must attach to codes of ethics which emphasize principles like integrity, confidentiality, and responsibility. Dito po sa conclusion, legal, ethical, and professional issues in information security are interconnected and require a holistic approach. Organizations must prioritize compliance, ethical considerations, and professional standards to build a secure and trustworthy environment for information. Continuous education, risk management, and collaboration with stakeholders are crucial for navigation these complex challenges and resources. Yan lang, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Again, organization must comply with various laws and regulations that govern data protection and information security. This include the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union, the Healthcare Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or the HIPAA or HIPAA in the United States, Data Privacy Act of 2012, Cybercrime of 2012. We have, of course, the E-Commerce Act and others, and other regional and industry specific regulations. So compliance ensure that organizations handle data appropriately and protect individuals' privacy rights. Protecting intellectual property is a significant legal issue in information security. Organizations must ensure that their information security practices protect trade secrets, patents, copyrights, and trademarks from theft or unauthorized use. This involves implementing strong access controls, encryption, and monitoring system to prevent intellectual property infringement. Privacy concerns are central to the information security. So organizations must safeguard personal data against unauthorized and access and misuse. So legal frameworks like Cybercrime Act of 2012, Data Privacy Act of 2012, and others mandate strict controls on how personal data is collected, stored, and processed. So failure to comply with these laws can result in severe penalties and loss of customer trust. Imagine millions of peso kapag nagkaroon ng issues or ng failure in compliance with the Data Privacy Act and cybercrime. Information security professionals face numerous ethical dilemmas such as balancing security with privacy, managing insider threats, and handling vulnerabilities responsibly. Ethical guidelines in codes of conduct such as those provided by professional organizations like the International Information System Security Certification Consortium and the Information System Audit and Control Association help professionals navigate these challenges. Information security professionals have a duty to act in the best interest of their employers, clients, and the public because in the government agency. And this includes maintaining confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information, as well as reporting security breaches promptly. That's why, di ba, sa news, nagkaroon ng breach sa mga government agencies, automatic nire-report. Kailangan kasi malaman or ma-report yung security breaches promptly, ASAP. Professionals must stay informed about the latest security threats and best practices to effectively protect the information system. Legal requirements often mandate the reporting and disclosure of security incidents and breaches. For instance, the GDPR requires organizations to report data breaches to regularly authorized within 72 hours. Ganun din naman sa data privacy, 46 hours or 48 hours. Transparent and timely disclosure is essential for regulatory compliance and maintaining public trust. even though it can sometimes lead to reputational damage. No, wala tayong magagawa kapag nalaman natin na sila ay na-hack or so on, di ba parang ano na tayo, mahirap na mawala sa isipan natin. So legal issues also encompass liability for security breaches and data loss. Now, organization may face lawsuits and financial penalties if they fail to protect sensitive information adequately. Implementing comprehensive risk management strategies, no, including cyber insurance, can help mitigate this risk. Clear contractual agreements with third-party vendors, no, regarding security responsibilities are also important. No? So, the legal and professional landscape in information security is constantly evolving due to technological advancement and new types of threats. So issues such as data sovereignty, the ethical use of artificial intelligence and security right now, and the implications of quantum computing pose new challenges. So staying ahead of these developments requires ongoing education, adaptability, and proactive policy development. So the legal and professional issues in security involve a complex interplay of compliance with laws, ethical responsibilities, and professional standards. So navigating these issues effectively is essential for protecting data, maintaining trust, and ensuring the long-term success of information security initiatives. So I think that's it.